Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to match on Happn. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Happn application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Happn if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom left corner, we have the Explorer, we have the Hub, we have the Map. Also, we have the likes where you can go and check out all the likes that you have, of course, got on this application. And in the bottom right corner, we have the chat. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and match on Happn. So to get a match on Happn, follow these 4 steps. Firstly, use a high-quality profile photo, avoid group photos, and write a unique bio that reflects your personality. Then regularly use the app and update your location to increase your visibility. You can also like profiles that catch your eye and send thoughtful messages to start conversations. And find a match can take, of course, time. So keep using the app and stay positive. Of course, you have to, wait, and the results will, of course, come. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.